Alright, so I was making polls on my channel, and I just noticed that 7 months ago, I know, right? Someone left me a message uh, talking about the poll, and then asked, can you make a video about that? Thanks. How do you make these polls? So I'm like, okay, I'll show you how to make these polls. Let's say you're at your home page. You know, this is what your page looks like. I really wish that would not turn on every time I go to my own page, but whatever. You go to the community tab right here in the middle, press on that, and it gives you this little box, and you just type in the question. What do you want to know? And then you click on poll, or you can upload an image or add a video. And when you click on poll, it gives you options. And you just type in, you know, would you rather I talk about peaches, or would you rather I talk about, ducks, whatever random stuff you want to talk about. And then this is going to be a poll on the page. What do you want to know? Do you want to know about peaches or ducks, right? And then you can add another option if you wanted to, or cancel. But that's really all you got to do. So you can also give somebody else a shout out, like if you press @ you can add somebody's name and kind of shout them out. You can add a video. It gives you a whole your YouTube videos. You can add one of your own videos to it if you wanted to. You can really put anything in the community tab you want. I think it's kind of an important thing to do because it's there, and YouTube likes it when you use their features. So I would just kind of fool around with it a little bit. The last poll I made, video games, I only have 4 regulars. What would you rather watch? And I have 4 there. And then another one I just made, would you like to see some more, some MRE videos? And then this one down here, I got a bunch of answers for which ones, you want to see on the channel or whatever like that. But that's the community tab, and that is how to make polls on your YouTube channel. So I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you on the flip side. And I am out.
Yeah.